First, the concept of global strategy. What is strategy? Strategy as plan. According to this view, strategy is explicit, rigorous, formal planning. Strategy is action. According to this view, strategy is a set of flexible, goal-oriented actions. Strategy is integration. This view combines both planned actions and unplanned emerged activities. Strategy as a firm's theory how to compete successfully. Strategy should always give a coherence to decisions and actions. Strategy as design, planning, and rational choice. This is the intended strategy. Then, last but not least, we have strategy as process. Many decision makers responding to a multitude of external and internal forces. This makes the emergent strategy. Now, what is global strategy? Our definition is that global strategies is the strategies of firms around the globe, both international and non-international, also called domestic, and both developed and emerging economies. We have different contexts of strategy. In all, we have about 3 different considerations. We have the industry-based competition, the firm-specific resources and capabilities, and the institutional conditions. A basic framework for strategy analysis is the SWOT analysis. There we have the strengths and weaknesses concerning the internal environment, such as goals and values, resources and capabilities, and structure and systems. The internal strengths and weaknesses make the firm strategy interface. Then on the other side we have the opportunities and threats. This is concerning the external environment, such as competitors, customers, suppliers, then formal and informal rules and the culture. These opportunities and threats are concerning strategy with the environment strategy interface. The next thing we have to discuss is corporate and business strategy. Corporate strategy is concerned with the industry attractiveness. This means in corporate strategy we're talking about which business we should be in. In business strategy we're talking about competitive advantage. As a question, how should we compete? To repeat it, corporate strategy is about which business we should be in, and business strategy about how we should compete in this business. Then we have Mintzberg's critique of formal strategic planning. There we have 3 main points why formal strategic planning always has the chance to fail. First point is that there is also a fallacy of prediction, because the future is unknown. Then there is the fallacy of detachment. That means it is impossible to divorce formulation from implementation. And then the fallacy of formalization. This inhibits flexibility, spontaneity, intuition, and learning. To repeat it, Mintzberg's critique of formal strategic planning is the fallacy of prediction, detachment, and formalization. Now we will look upon the multiple roles of strategy. In fact, we have 3 different roles of strategy. First of all, as a decision support. Then, strategy as a coordination and communication. And last but not least,